Hello, welcome back everyone. After the short break, here we go. We have another exciting panel discussion on stage, and they will be discussing on the topic of crypto meme magic, unleashing IP in digital access. Please welcome our moderator on stage, Anndy Lian again, Managing Director of MemeCore and best-selling book author. Please be seated. Thank you. Next, please welcome our panelists. Thomas K, Head of International Business of WEEX Global. And we also have Christian Oertel, Global Expansion Lead of Conflux Network. And Larry Lundy, Chief Business Officer of Hashpower. Last but not least, please also welcome Tasso Lago, founder of Financial Move. Welcome on stage, our moderator and all our panelists. And over to you, Andy.
Hi everyone. But anyway, good morning and good afternoon to everybody. So our panel will be quite fun. We have people from all walks of life and different industry. Different scope. So we talk about meme coin IP and investment opportunities. And I'm Andy. I'm part of MemeCore. We are here to build communities. And all these friends here are big KOLs. Big opinion leaders, we love to hear their insights. So without further ado, I will start off with an introduction, of all my panelists. So Tasso, you first, man, bro. A quick intro.
Hello, my friends. I am from Brazil, Tasso Lago, the biggest influencer, angel investor, founder, doing a lot of stuff into the crypto space, and also famous for trading in Brazil. Also meme coins, for sure.
Larry.
Hello, everyone. My name is Larry Lundy. I'm the Chief Business Officer at Hashpower, Chief Strategic Officer at Hash AI, and Chief Security Officer at MetaTrust Labs. I'm based out of APAC, but I'm an advisor in the Emirates, the US. I'm a specialist in stablecoin policy and foreign policy integration. Thank you for having me because memes are the highway. So thank you, Andy.
Chris.
Hey, my name is Chris. I'm the Global Expansion Lead at Conflux Network. Since today we only have degens and meme traders and meme companies, if you guys need a new layer 1 blockchain to do a new meme, come to me, find me, and let's work it out. And I'm happy to be here today to talk about memes and discuss what drives this industry forward.
Thanks, man. Thomas?
Yeah, for sure. Hi guys, my name is Thomas, and then I'm from WEEX. I think we are one of the definitely one of the fastest growing in terms of like meme listings last year and this year as well. And we think that's a very huge potential in the meme space. So definitely looking forward to maybe connect with everyone here. And yeah, thank you, Andy.
So without further ado, we just get into the topic. I'm quite a meme advocate, right? Not that I love the characters, but I love the community behind it. So first question, maybe I'll give it to Thomas. Do you believe in the meme magic, and what is your beliefs?
Yeah, 100%. I think the whole WEEX community, meme is like, for me, I think it's the fundamental and like the main driver. Or let's put it the other way. Like I think meme is like the main retention tool in this crypto space right now. I think a lot of the users, even I think most of you guys here, are in the space are still in the space because of the memes, right? And it's also one of the easiest way for new users from Web2 to enter into Web3, like Andy said before this. Yeah, so I definitely believe very strongly in like the meme whole ecosystem. And yeah, I think it's honestly inevitable that meme is gonna be one of the biggest driver in the future as well. It will continue to be, yeah.
So Chris, do you believe in the meme magic, and does Conflux love memes? I saw a few nice memes going on,
Honestly, a couple of years back, I did not believe in memes, right? Because we were working on a layer 1 blockchain, scalability, changing the world. And then it was like, okay, someone launched a meme, there's no fundamentals, blah, blah, blah. But my view has since changed, because I think meme is the best entrance for retail or just regular people to learn about crypto, to learn about blockchain, to get involved. And I think that serves as a great entering point into the Web3 world, if you like it or not, right? Before you deep dive, you test it out, you test out the waters with memes, and then if you like it, you go further into it. So right now, I'm a real strong believer in memes. I like memes because it's community-driven, it's fun, and you don't have to read 500 white papers, right? Sometimes it just saves your time to just enjoy the Web3 world. And honestly, like last time, I just saw Donald Trump somewhere here. Hopefully he'll push it a bit further. But like, if it wasn't for memes, I think crypto wouldn't be what it be today, right? You wouldn't have these great communities. You don't have these great community builders. You don't have a lot of YouTubers bringing people in here. So I like memes. And at Conflux Network, yes, we always look for great memes to come and work with us. And like I said, if there's any company, any community that wants to work with us, I'll be here after the panel and just reach out to me and we'll figure something out.
Well, I believe in memes right from the beginning, right? So it's not so much about money. What about Larry? Do you believe in the meme magic?
Absolutely. Meme magic is a construct and a mainstay of the space. We really have to look at one of the biggest challenges in space, lowering the barrier of entry, like Christian talked about. And one of the biggest ways to lower the barrier of entry is by providing a safe and fun environment. And we really have to look at the metrics, right? Without meme tokens, we wouldn't have the large conflux of liquidity in Web3 and DeFi at all. We could argue that utility, AI, many of the mainstays in the space come from meme tokens. We only need to look to the past for the answers to the future. The 4 dog tokens provided the original lore, the original magic that you're talking about. And why are they still in the space now? Because they're diversified, right? But not only are memes an important cultural construct in Web3, they are a mainstay for, we talk about DCA, right? Memes create a lot of inflow and exflow liquidity for the utilities, for AI, for the space, and provided a bridge, a lifeline during the COVID and the bear. So yeah, we couldn't have any DeFi magic without meme magic.
What about you, man, Tasso? Meme magic in Brazil?
Well, in Brazil, people love memes. At first, I didn't like memes because, okay, there is no utility, there is this fundamental bullshit. But in the end, when you are talking about the fundamentals, there are a lot of tokens that has utility, but the project don't have users. So there is a lot of utility, but no one is using. So I think you can start building your community around a meme, and you have to involve into a business, having a lot and build your utility around your community, around what your story is, for which kind of persona you are talking, and this can be very profitable for our business, for a layer 1, for an exchange, for all this business we are talking about, because memes drives users. Trump, we may not like the meme coin of Trump. Some may have made money, some lost, but the main thing is the president of USA launched a meme coin, or not, but was with his name. So everyone from the world was talking about it. And this is the main thing, adoption.
Well, it's 100% right, because I have friends from India who sells me packages of utility, $2,000, we can get all kinds of utility, right? But still staying with Tasso, since you are an investor, right? You love a bit of a meme culture and so forth. What kind of meme investment would you look at? Would it be an IP meme that is more dear to your heart, or do you like some kind of maybe local character? What do you look for?
Well, at first, when I start looking into a meme to invest, I look at the charts, first thing. And the second thing is I try to understand if the meme is building an ecosystem. For example, Shiba. I like Shiba, and Shiba is building an ecosystem and is always trying to engage with new projects, new futures, and I think Shiba is a good sample. Doge is empowered by Musk. But I think Shiba is doing more than Doge behind the scenes. But who knows in the end what Elon Musk will do with Doge? I don't know.
Well, Larry, do you have anything to add on?
I think it's an important metric that you brought up as far as diversification is concerned. Let me use Doge as an example of why I'm a Doge maxi. Built on Litecoin infrastructure, it is a mineable commodity. So people forget about how diverse memes can be. Also, the driving motivation for entry into investment in the memes is solely based emotionally and because you like it. Yeah, everyone wants to make a bag and find a way to profit. There's the sideline utilities, but if we look at like Doge as an example, it was one of the original proof of work minables. So I think as far as versatility and providing a exit in liquidity or entry on liquidity that provides a victimless environment, I think Doge is one of the originators and one of the best. So
I agree again, and it's actually one of the biggest IP, right? Because right now, when you talk about IP, it's very generic right now, right? But if you look at the great grandfather, man, it will be a Dogecoin, right? But IP memes has been very attractive, Do you see the opportunity for IP memes to grow within the Conflux network, or what is the best way for you to introduce meme to your network?
I think from Conflux perspective, right? Because there are like essentially two paths that Conflux is going. One is a fully regulated path in China, where we do work with IPs, we work with McDonald's, but the restriction there is you can only do NFTs, right? So then it's already okay. They are fundamentally cut off from getting a token. So unfortunately, there it doesn't work.
No, but you look at NFT, maybe it's going to come back at the end of the cycle, But then Conflux has a long journey. But from now to the end of that cycle, is there any ways you could work around and encourage your network to build?
No, 100%, right? It depends. We're talking with a couple of providers in Southeast Asia who have their toys, want to create an IP out of it. So that does work, right? To create something. I hope there will be some this year. I think especially like Pudgy Penguins who are here today, they did a great example of how they create an IP through an NFT and then a drop nowadays, right? And then you also have Doodles who is coming out with their NFTs, with their tokens. So I think these are great examples leading the industry into a direction where you actually get more utility and more usage for IPs. So I think it's good, and then hopefully we'll get some at Conflux.
I mean, from my personal perspective, I really hope to see a IP Chinese meme, right? Or maybe a Chinese character. It could be a snake, could be a panda, and so forth. But it's growing on Conflux because Chinese meme, Chinese chain. I'm not sure whether it's branded that way. I think that's a perfect scenario, for Asians to work it on. So I hope to see that, man, bro.
I have to go to Sichuan to talk with the team with Naja.
Oh yeah, I saw. They pinged me too, man.
Yeah, I think that would be a great one.
Let's see. What about WEEX, man? Is meme coin or IP meme coin the right kind of door opener for your end? And do you guys even invest in them? Is there any opportunity?
Yeah, I think from WEEX perspective, we do not take active investment in them because of the point of view, and we cannot, But IP memes, I think, is definitely one of the biggest driver, and this is very clear from Trump coin, right? Over the last few months, I think the coin that brought in the most users from Web2 to Web3 was actually the Trump coin, and we can see from our data. Like on that day, I remember like user 3x in a day, volume 10x, right? And you don't see that every day, and you cannot see it in any other utility tokens, right? And I think the beauty of IP is so recognizable. It's easy for people to look at one of your projects and be like, if I see this image anywhere else, I know it's you, right? And you cannot get it with any other way of doing memes, that, in my opinion, yeah.
We have about 2 to 3 more minutes to go. Of course, if I continue to talk, I don't think they can chase me down, right? But the thing is this, maybe to end off the session, I want to ask a very straightforward question. What does meme coin means to you? We start with Tasso.
Meme coins means to me, when I started was something I didn't like. Now I understand properly. And now I'm seeing a lot of meme coins building business around it. So I think the crypto market is becoming more mature, and memes, I like memes when I see a layer one, when I see a project, because you can connect the tech with users through a joke, through an environment. So meme is the pillar of the growth of crypto.
Oh, well said, man. Larry, What does it mean to you, man?
Memes, to me, mean a cultural integrator for more business opportunities, right? So if we had a link tree for DeFi, we'd only need to look at memes and the value. The tertiary profit proposition that they offer is similar to like baseball cards and comic books. That's all applicable value that's applied by a community. What does a community value the meme at? And then if we just look through history, we can look at like apes, right? Yuga. Or we can look at the 4 original dog tokens, Floki, Doge, SHIB. And we can kind of see all of the avenues of different profit and ROI generators on the business end, but just joy and common IP that people can enjoy without having to associate any of the business aspect. So you get best of both worlds. For us at Hash, we mine Doge along with Litecoin and Bell's token. So it kind of gives us a key in to provide lowering the barrier of entry for these more advanced concepts for integration. So meme is culture and memes are business for me as well. So the future, still, in the past.
100% agree. Christian?
It's hard to say, but I think what struck me down the most with memes is that it's somewhat of a phenomenon where you get the full cycle of all emotions and share this with thousands, 10,000 people that you don't know. And I think that's something mystical about it, right? You get angry if the price goes down. You're fucking happy if the price goes up. And then you hate someone from the community that says something bad about it. And then you're like, oh, how do we find him and huck him down or like change his mind? So I think this is like this very interesting social construct that is ongoing, and you can find it on a daily basis if you want to.
Yeah. So temperamental but fun, right? I get it. Bro, Thomas?
Yeah, I mean, for us, I think 2 things, right? Memes, community, and activity, right? I think in the whole crypto space right now, the most activity happens in the memes community, right? And I think for any exchange out there, it's very obvious that a lot of them are shifting towards the meme side. Like you guys can see meme pages up on exchanges nowadays, right? So I think it's definitely one of the main driver for growth and activity, yeah.
So I'll just end this off. I think meme is actually one of the main pillar that we see in the Web3 space. It is a good door opener, and also at the same time, it is actually the biggest community driver, right? So if we can still focus on the right memes, I think it's good, man. So thanks everybody. Thanks for all your time, and let's continue to do more work in the Web3 space, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And
Thank you
please
so much.
remain seated as our photographer is already here to take a picture with all of you. A very impressive sharing. Now, Zafama, please. Thank you. And please, one step forward. Also, a big smile with a thumb up. Well done, the moderator, Andy. Okay. Big smile to the camera, please. Thank you so much. And please be seated. Thank you.